Welcome you all for this wonderful session. This is Geeta, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sarakatulappa College. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the kinds of companies. So, let me discuss the topic now.
Company means an organization that is incorporated under the Companies Act. According to the Companies Act 2013, a company means an organization incorporated under this act or any previous company law, as per Section 2, subsection 20. From the viewpoint of law, a company is an artificial person. It is an invisible and intangible person having a separate legal entity from its members with perpetual succession. The capital of the company is divided into transferable shares and the shareholders are called its members. Types of companies. Different kinds of companies are formed for various purposes. They may broadly be classified on the basis of mode of incorporation, on the basis of number of members, on the basis of liability of members, on the basis of control, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of access to capital market and other companies. But in this video, I'm going to concentrate only on the basis of mode of incorporation, on the basis of number of members and on the basis of liabilities of members. On the basis of incorporation, the companies would be classified as unincorporated companies and incorporated companies. Any entity or organization formed but not registered under the Companies Act 2013 or under any other previous company law may be called an unincorporated or unregistered company. There may be any partnership firm, any limited liability partnership, any cooperative society, any society, any other business entity. All these entities are not registered under the Companies Act. Therefore, these are called unincorporated companies. But here, as per the Companies Law 2013, companies would be classified as per the incorporations as statutory companies or companies incorporated under Companies Act. A statutory company is one which is formed or created by the special statute of the Parliament or any of the state legislature. Reserve Bank of India, Life Insurance Corporations of India, State Road Transport Corporations, etc. are the examples of statutory company. The nature and powers of such company are generally defined by the statute creating it. Companies incorporated under the Companies Act are called registered companies. In legal terms, a company means that incorporated and registered under the Companies Act 2013 or under any other previous company law. Such a company comes into existence when it is registered under this Act and a certificate of incorporation is issued to it by the registrar. Such a company is governed by the provisions of the Companies Act and rules and regulations framed under it. It can undertake all such activities that are covered within the scope of its memorandum. The next important kind is on the basis of number of members. On the basis of number of members or on the basis of public involvement, the following three kinds of companies may be registered under the Companies Act. The first one is public company, and the next is private company, and the another one is one-person company. To form a public company, minimum of 7 persons are needed and maximum number of persons are unlimited. And It is not a private company and has a minimum paid up capital as may be prescribed. A public company may be formed by persons from among the public, including the persons of Indian or foreign origin. It may be formed in private sector as well as in government, cooperative and joint sector of the company. Based on the members, it needs minimum of 7 and there is no limit on maximum. A private company means a company having a minimum paid up share capital as may be prescribed and which by its articles provides for the following: restricts the right to transfer its shares except in case of OPC, that is one person company, limits the number of members it's to 200, excluding the present or former employees who are the members of the company. Prohibit any invitation to the public to subscribe to any securities of the company. It may be noted that where 2 or more persons hold 1 or more shares in the company jointly, they shall be treated as a single member. So, based on the members, private company can start with the minimum of 2 and the maximum would be 200. One person company means a company which has only one person as a member, as per section 2, subsection 62. It is also an incorporated legal person having a separate entity from the person forming it. The liability of the member is limited unless the company is registered as an unlimited company. In OPC, there can be one member only. It has at least one director but can have more directors subject to a maximum of 15 directors. The concept of OPC has been introduced in the Companies Act 2013 with the view to provide an opportunity to a person to enter into any risky business with limited liability. On the basis of liability, companies are classified as limited by shares, limited by guarantee, and companies with unlimited liability. A company limited by shares means a company having the liability of its members limited to the amount, if any, unpaid on the shares held by them, as per the section 2, subsection 22. Thus, a company is said to be limited by shares when the liability of each of its members is limited to the amount unpaid on the shares held by each of them. No member of such company can be called upon to pay more than the unpaid nominal amount of the shares held by them. A company limited by guarantee means a company the liability of whose member is limited to such amount as the members have undertaken to contribute to the assets of the company in the event of its being wound up. In case of a company limited by guarantee, the liability of its members is limited to a fixed sum guaranteed by them, and beyond which they can never be called upon to pay. An unlimited company means a company having no limit on the liability of its members. Section 2, subsection 92. Thus, a company not having any limit on the liability of a member is said to be an unlimited company.
Thank you all for your patience listening. In the upcoming videos, I will discuss with you the kinds of companies on the basis of ownership and on the basis of control. Thank you.